Uy, happy?
Happy
What?
Victory Day.
Victoria Day.
Victoria Day.
Victoria Day.
Victoria Day.
Ayan, yan.
Uy! Uy!
First time na nakalabas yung baby ko. Uy, ganda ng pilik mata.
That's Miguel's first time.
Nasisilaw.
Nasisilaw?
Picture mo sana.
Nasisilaw sa ano?
Ah.
Araw.
Picture. 1, 2, 3. Chiki. Nasisilaw sa ano?
Sa araw. Doon sana.
Hindi, mahangin, no?
Doon kami.
Ay, ilobyo lang, nanay.
Hindi, dito kami, ano, para hindi siya masilaw.
Nasa yung sombrero niya?
Wala. Ay, ano ba yan?
Oh!
Tignan mo kung sila, ano,
Ay!
patawanin mo.
Hello!
Hello, baby. Chit.
Hello!
Ano? Punta na kami doon. Labas.
Oh, ilagay nyo na. Pasok na.
Pasok na kami.
As, lagyan mo na lang siya, Dad. Doon. At malamig.
Tapos ka na.
Hindi pa. Nasa yun sa akin?
I make you one.
Give, oh yeah.
Waka.
Give me. Make one.
Si kuya mo.
Mackenzie, can you call kuya?
Pico.
Ha? Oh, si Miko.
The
Sarap
other
to.
one or this one?
That one. Take mo nga, Dad. Hati.
Hey, dog. Badwa. Can I open it? What, Mom?
Hmm?
Can I open it? I want to open it. It's so hot.
Ang tamis na mais. Ang tamis ng mais. Yummy. Ha? Miguel? Matamis yung mais, Daddy.
So big.
Hmm? It's so big. Thank you. Ay, saan ko lalagay itong ano ko? Wala akong mapaglagyan, oh.
Wala pang sis yan. Ano?
Ha? Ito, masarap.
This is a waiter.
Hmm?
Later.
Said later?
It's a no dog.
Hmm?
What it's a no dog. It's a dog.
Ano ba?
What time? Give me that.
What's that?
Red.
What's red?
That one. Like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I did it.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy Victoria Day. Victoria Day. Canada Day. Sa July.
No.
Yeah, July. Canada Day.
Today's May.
Oh, today is Victoria Day.
Tag. Tag.
Mm-hmm. Bye-bye.